Peace and blessings of Allah be upon you. Translators, welcome to the Understand It channel, simplified with Sama Ibrahim. Just as we made videos to make our loved ones and friends happy, I wanted to make you a video as a gift for the month of Ramadan. Happy New Year! And here's how we'll use AI or artificial intelligence to turn ideas into videos completely free of charge. This video won't just be for you. It could also be an opportunity for anyone wanting to make videos, whether they're stories, advice, or any other idea, and it could also be a source of income for you or anything else. I hope this video gives you new and useful ideas, and may this gift be a door to happiness, even if it's simple, for each of you. Let's start and see how we can make this video step by step. But before we start, don't forget to mention Allah and send blessings upon the Messenger of Allah. Let's begin. The first thing is I use a website called Video. Then I'll choose the first thing that appears for me. I'll go in, click on it, and then click on Generate Video Now. Since I was already registered on the site before, it will log me in directly. You will just need to register on the site, and you will do so in the usual way. I'll start here to see what I want to make this video about. So for example, I might say that I want so the video animated contains 5 people, and we can make it about anything. For example, about initiative, just about the sea. Yesing, for example, a journey, and comedy or animated, as you like. Do it for me, and I'll start clicking after writing what I want. I'll start by clicking here on Create a Video. It will start loading with me. It will do either what I want or an analysis. Then it will start giving me the title if it's for the video, and then it will take me to another page to start choosing, and we'll see together what the options are. This step doesn't take any time. I mean less than a minute. It will automatically take you to the next page. Here, alright, it has now taken me to the second page. So it starts asking me here, how long do you want your video to be? As the duration, 4 minutes, 10 minutes, I'll leave it as they told me. And for example, they say, will it be kids or comedy or what? I'll choose, for example, kids and the platform I want the video to be on, like YouTube. I'll definitely choose the platform YouTube and start clicking. It will start coming here for me to choose the free option below. I'll start clicking, and it will tell me here, and it will start uploading the video. I'll stop here. But the video, I'll get back to you after it loads. And so the video will be loaded with us. If it's real, click on it. An incredible adventure today. We have 5 contestants. 2 will enter, and the first one will be eliminated. The first one with us is Captain Fish, the embarrassed. He is the leader of the gang, and very brave Captain Fish. The stallion always knows the way, and then the civilian people. Just another small C. He's very fast. He loves to guide groups and stick to artistic concepts. We'll continue the video from here. Okay, if I need to, I press here on. And it will show me all the cartoons. Of course, I wrote that I want animation. Maybe you were going to write to that you want a specific story or a particular thing. I feel like you will write it. Okay, I'll start here to see, for example, if I want to change anything. Like if I don't like this, I'll start here on. And I'll start choosing any other style that I might like, or that my kids or children might like. For example, you make this video for them, and so on. For example, children. I'll click Replace here, and once I choose, I'll click here on Apply. Now it has given me exactly what I wanted. Okay, can I press? Of course, you want to change the music here. Okay. And here, if I want to change the script. It says we haven't done it. I should press on it to change. I made it so that it can be done in the picture. Okay, if I want to change the script, I'll come here as you wish. For example, the words written here, you can change them according to what you want to write. And also, when you come here, you'll find it changed. Whether you want to change the music, the images, or your script, it's up to you. Okay, if you want to download the video, just click here on download and choose something here. Of course, there are free and paid options, so you'll just select the regular option and I'll choose normal. Then I'll show you what to do next. You'll start to see that it's downloading. Okay, suppose you want to write your own script. Do you want to? You don't want the AI to write the script for you. You want to send it to him. How do we do that? We can come here, for example. We use AI, right? We press here on plus and, for example, use here. Indeed, pay. And I'll enter here. And then I'll write him something like what? Here I want it. Here the video is loading. I want a script about a story, about a cook, skilled. For example, a story about a skilled cook, and a story of his success in cooking. I'll start to tell him here, start. Currently, here it started to send me the script of the first scene, the second scene, and so on. You can, of course, tell it anything. For example, we want the section to include 5 people aged such and such, or we want the story to be about something like this, and so on. Okay, until I come here and take the copy. Then I'll go back to the site. Indeed, I'll go back to the site. I'll click here on the 4 conditions present and press on home, and then any video will open for me here. Here we can write up to 32,000 words in the script I want to write. I took a copy, and I'll start doing here. Listly. If I send it my own script, I just click here to create a video. It's the same idea we did a while ago, where it creates and then writes the title for you. Then it transitions you to start seeing the options you need. Here, it's being prepared. It starts to tell you that it's reading your script. And of course, it puts its title with Secret of the Skilled Cook and the Journey to Success. Then it started to open for you here. Of course, we'll send the script again. So here it asks you what style you want for the video. Realistic, which is reality and real people, or animation or anime. So you can choose based on your needs, your audience, who is watching, and the platform. For example, I'll say make it anime, and I'll leave it as he chose. And as he chose YouTube, should I press new? I'll say here free and here. And I'll also close the video and come back to show you how the video looks. And with that, the video has downloaded with me. You'll also be able to have the same idea. If you want to change anything, I'm in edit mode, and you can change anything you want, whether the images he provided or the music he used. You can even upload your own music. You from your side, as he tells you here, or you can choose according to each chapter you have. And then you come to the script too, if you want to change anything from what he wrote. And with that, today's video is finished. I hope you liked today's video and that it was simple and reached you in an easy and simple way. I hope that I was able to bring happiness to you before Ramadan, even in a very simple way. And Happy New Year to you. May you always be well. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to the channel, and try to share the video to support your channel, dear friends. And don't forget to leave a lovely comment like you. And goodbye.